In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to finish for real the 1 series. I think I have all the parts in here. I have the particle filter is not even opened yet. I'm quite curious if it's going to fit. We have the engine mounts right and left, and we have the glow plug module because I had an error for that. That is not communicating at all, and I don't know if the glow plugs are working. So we have that. I just have to receive one sensor. I am not really sure if I'm going to receive this till I finish the car in this episode, and it's this sensor. This is the fresh air sensor. I have an error for that as well. It's on order, but if it's not coming on this episode, I'm going to replace it off camera. Anyway, the car will be ready. First, let's open the particle filter to see if it's going to fit. In fact, let's open all the boxes, and we are going to start with engine mounts because now we have space because there is no particle filter in there. The glow plug modules, and if everything fits, we just have to put the particle filter, and this car is done. Till now everything looks okay. Engine mounts, glow plugs module, and I think we've hit the jackpot because the particle filter is the same. Yep, we have a new particle filter. This is a brand new particle filter. I have to take all this paper because it's going to burn everything. It's going to smoke like hell. Anyway, I'm going to start cleaning this particle filter, and I'm missing a gasket. I have the turbo clamp, the exhaust clamp, and I'm missing this gasket from here. Luckily I have the old one, and I hope... Oh, check this out, this one was smoking. I hope I can reuse this because I don't have any other on stock. We are going to try with this one. If not, we are going to order a new one. But normally I think it should had this package with particle filter should have gasket, but I've checked everywhere, there is no gasket in there. Okay, let's start do some work on the car now. And just like that, we have the new particle filter installed. Everything is tight. The new clamp in here, oh sorry for the light. The new clamp is in here. The new particle filter, everything is put back together. I just have to clip this correctly, but I just want to start the car to see if everything is okay. We have a new breather hose in here. In fact, let me show you from underneath how it looks like. From underneath, everything is clean and dry. The new particle filter is installed, and here is where I've cut the exhaust. It's not a big deal. As you can see in here, I've just cut like half a centimeter, 5 millimeters, something like that. But it's not a problem. I just have to cut this welding point to straight this. But just for test purposes, I think it's enough. Everything fits like a glove. I've already reset the computer and I've set in there that a new particle filter was installed. Now I just have to start the car, and normally we shouldn't have any kind of error directly. See now, moment of truth. Okay. Oh, I thought that was an error. Just the gas indicator. No error, nothing for now. Let's wait to start. Yeah, that's the gas indicator, but other than that, nothing. Let's check in here. Everything seems to be okay. Perfect. Let's see the check control. Oh, and I thought, what the heck, just the gas reserve. We need to buy some gas, but it's running perfect. No more error codes. I'm going to scan the car now and we are going to go for a test drive. And the car is assembled and I'm driving the car, the 1 Series, on the road. But we still have a small problem. The car is running fine now. I fixed everything, but I found a new problem with this project car. That is that the gear lever is shaking. I'm not sure if you can see. And I replaced the engine mounts and everything, but the worst part is that I'm pretty sure that the flywheel is bad, because this car has a dual mass flywheel and it has like a spring, and it's going to self-adjust, and I'm pretty sure it's locked and it's vibrating, because I've checked everything on the car. Underneath, the gearbox mounts are perfect, the engine mounts are new, the engine runs perfect now. We have new particle filter, glow plug module, I'm not really sure what, fresh air sensor, no error on the dash, nothing, but this shake is from the flywheel, I'm pretty sure. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do this replacement of the clutch or not, because I think I'm going to sell the car as is. It's working fine, it's driving fine, it has just a small shake. Maybe you can see now. Yep. But this problem should be addressed soon. Not really sure, maybe who wants to buy the car will replace this, or not really sure, or should I replace this? Yeah, drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you want to see a BMW clutch replacement with flywheel, and maybe I'm going to do that. Anyway, I think we are going to drive home now. We are going to park the car, and pretty much that's about it for this episode, because the car is fixed, no error, nothing, works fine. And we have to park the new project car, the 3 Series, the E46, to see what's wrong with that one, and to see if that is worth saving, because I bought a car with a lot of parts inside, and this is not a good sign. So somebody wanted to fix that car, but he stopped. Why? We have to find out. And we are home with 1 Series, it's fixed. I just have to replace one sensor or two off camera, that's not a problem, but the biggest problem is the flywheel. I have to replace that, or I have to sell the car as is, because it's shaking too much. New engine mount in there. New engine mount in there, and see how the car shakes. So I have to think about it, but I might do this job. I'm not, depends on what offer I will get for the car as is. Anyway, I think I'm going to close the video in here, because we already have the new project car in the garage, and we have to check that what's wrong with the car and if it's worth saving. So if you want to see more progress on the 1 Series or on the new project car, join me on the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.